Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We have notes about GCF and LCM. First, prime factorization. We talked about it before. If you wanna factorize a number like 12, you can take any two factors of 12, like 2 times 6. Now 2 is prime number, but 6 is not. So we're gonna make 6 2 times 3. Now we can write 12 as 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 square times 3. Another example, if you have 32, you will make it 2 times 16. For 16, it can be 2 times 8. For 8, it can be 2 times 4. For 4, it can be 2 times 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 32 as 2 or 5. Another example, 36 can be written 6 times 6, which is 2 times 3, and here 2 times 3. So 36 can be written as 2 square times 3 square. Or using a T letter way. T letter way, you will make like T letter. You have here 2, 3, 5, 7, which are prime numbers. For example, if we have 36, now 36 is divisible by 2 because it's an even number. So we put 2. 36 divided by 2 equals what? Equals 18. 18 is even number, so still can be divided by 2. It will be 9. Now 9 cannot be divided by 2, so we will divide it by 3 because it's divisible by 3, equals 3. 3 divided 3 equals 1. So now from here you can find 36 as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 square times 3 square. Another example, if you have 2, 3, 5, 7, 24. 24 is even number, so you can divide it by 2, equals 12. 12 is even, divided by 2 equals 6. Divided by 2 equals 3. 3 cannot divide it by 2, but it's divisible by 3, equals 1. So 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now going to GCF. What is GCF? The greatest common factor. Finding common factors and GCF. Find the GCF between 18 and 24. We have two ways. First way is to list the factors of both of 18 and 24, then find the common factors. For 18, it's 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and only these. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. For 24, it will be 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times what? 8, and 4 times 6, and that's all. So we can take all of these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now what are common factors? As you can see, 1 is common factor, 2 is common factor, 3 is common factor, 6 is a common factor. What is the greatest one? So 6, of course. So the greatest common factor is what? Equals 6. Notice here that 1 is the factor for all numbers. So for example, if we have two prime numbers, you will find the greatest common factor for them 1. If there is no any common factors, between two numbers, so the GCF for these numbers will be 1. Second way, using prime factorization. We'll prime factorization by any way, like 3 factor for 18 equals 2 times 9, and 9 can be 3 times 3. So we can write 18 as 2 times 3 times 3. And 24 we can write as 2 times 12, and here 12, 2 times 6, 6, 2 times 3. So we have 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. We have 3 2's and 1 3, like this. We write like this. We just write similar digits or similar numbers under each other like this. Okay, now you have GCF. You will take one from complete column, just so you will take here 2 times 3, which is 6. You will not take from here or from here or from here. Okay, so GCF here is 6, and we calculated before it was what? 6. So we have two ways. First way, using the factors, you will write all factors of numbers and take the greatest one, and second way, using prime factorization. So this summary, we have two ways: list the factors or use prime factorization. In listing factors, you have some steps. First step is to list the factor of each number like this, and second one, circle the factor that are common between numbers and then choose the greatest one. But here, using prime factorization, you will write the two numbers into their prime factorization and then choose just the similar column, and at last you will find the greatest common factor. Now going to common multiples and least common multiple, which is LCM. For example, find the LCM of 6 and 8. Let us write multiples of 6. First way, using list multiples. So multiple of 6 equals, starting from 0, 6, 12, 18, and 4 times 6, 24, 30, 36, and 7 times 6, 42, 48, 54, 60, and that's enough. For 8, starting from 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and that's enough. You will find here the common multiples are 0 and 24 and 48. So common multiples are 0, 24, 48. I want least common multiple, except 0, because 0 is common multiple for all numbers, and it will be the least one for all numbers. So we will take 24 as LCM equals 24. Second way, using prime factorization, you will factorize 6 into 2 times 3. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So now take from all columns 1. So LCM equals, here from here take 2, from here take 3, from here take 2, from here take 2. So now 2 times 3, 6 times 2, 12 times 2 equals 24. This is second way.